Yo, what it is, guys? This box is freaking huge. Sheesh. So, by the title of this video, you already know I got some custom LED taillights for the Honda Prelude. Ooh. And I'm super surprised on how freaking huge this box is. Let's get this open. Let's get this. Ooh. Whoa, it's another box. Yo, we got some exclusive Japanese newspapers. Ooh. What the heck is this? Oh, okay. This is the relay, so it'll do all that fancy blinking and whatnot. Sheesh. So, what we got here are a pair of OEM taillights that's been retrofitted with LED lights and LED strips. If you look really closely, there's a bunch of little stuff going on here. I don't really know much about LED lights, so man, this is just a closer look of what it is. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the tail lights. It doesn't look like a big difference, but these are going to be really bright and they have some super cool special effects. So behind the taillights, we got all this extra wiring that I'm gonna have to figure out how to plug up. This is the additional relay. Comes with the little remote control and a bunch of wires. Yo, this looks like there's a lot of work put into this. Luckily, I'm assuming we got some instructions right here. And what do you know, it's all in Japanese. Woo! Okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to learn Japanese real quick and I can figure this out. But shoot, here's a closer look at the taillights. It looks like he removed 2 light bulbs in order to put these strips in there. That's kind of sketch though, because if you're a Prelude owner, you know that these gaskets go out and water likes to seep through here. So besides the 2 missing bulbs, we got this one plug right here, and I guess this one. Well shoot, let's put these taillights on the Prelude, and then we'll figure out how to wire them up later. Yeah. Yo, I'm sorry guys, but since I'm here, I just gotta fix this. We're about to put on some nice new taillights. I need to fix this little mess up right here, so let me knock this out real quick.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? How would they know? How would they know?
Ding! Woo! Okay, man, like I said, it really updates the look of the rear end, because the rear already looks really good. And man, yo, LED lights, we got the LED strips, the bulbs, and I'm not sure what those are. So the taillights are finally installed on the Prelude, and it's time to try and decipher this instruction manual. These are a ton of wires, and I could see that he put a lot of work into this. Well, here we got the relay all laid out, and there is a bunch of wires. Apparently this is supposed to be really easy, but knowing me, I might find a way to mess this up somehow. Yo guys, what's up? Don't mind the sweat, but guess what? We finally got the taillights all figured out. Woo! I was having a few issues, so I've been going back and forth with the builder, and now everything is all good. But before we get into the issues with the taillights, let's check out the different patterns. This is gonna be awesome. Woohoo! This thing comes with the remote, so you can change patterns. 1 is to stay at constant, 2 is random, 3 is to click for next pattern, 5 is previous, 4 is to speed it up, and 6 is to slow it down. So let's get started with this. Yo, that was a ton of patterns. I'm gonna have to go back and count through them. I'm gonna say this is my favorite though. It looks really cool, really chill. This is probably something I'd have it set to when I'm at like a car show or something, or a little car meet. I don't think the Lude's ready for a car show yet. Not until it's one color. Who knows? Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention the couple issues I was talking about. So when I first installed these tail lights, these reverse lights would be like halfway lit the entire time the car is on. And another issue will be that you'll get hyper flashing on your turn signals. So if you were to turn left or right, your front turn signal would blink super quick. So both issues have the same exact fix. Your car is designed to work with light bulbs, and when you switch to LED lights, the LED lights require less power to function. And so you got too much power going in the circuit, which is causing your light bulbs to blink really quickly. And you could run it like that, but more than likely, something's gonna heat up and probably melt, or maybe worst case scenario, your car catches on fire. But anyways, the fix is this. You'll need a load equalizer. This box comes with 2. So if you buy one of these, you can hook one onto the passenger turn signal and one to the driver turn signal. I had to buy 2 packs because I had to use one more for the reverse lights. And the reverse light is 1 circuit, I believe. So, I mean, I only use 1 load equalizer and the issue's fixed. Normally, if I were to have the car out of reverse, the reverse lights would be kind of lit up. And it wasn't that bad of a problem. It's just that when you drive at night, it was really noticeable because, you know, LEDs are kind of bright, even if they're not lit up all the way. But yep, just a little something to look out for the very few of you who are thinking about getting these tail lights. But yo, right now is a really good opportunity to get yourself a set of custom tail lights, because once they're gone, they're gone. I wouldn't be surprised if the builder made a version 2, something newer later, but I mean, shoot, when I saw these, I had to hop on them. But shoot, one more thing before I go. Shout out to EBP Prelude. Check him out on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. He helped me out with figuring out how to wire these up. It's really simple, but you guys know me. I tend to find a way to make things a lot harder than what it is. But yeah, Chris, if you're watching this, thank you very much for helping me out. He helped me figure out the issue with the turn signals. But yeah, hi guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. See you on the next one. Yeah.